Hello my fellow weirdos. Today we're making a calm doggy spray. This is a great mix to calm your doggies to keep calm when they're on edge from a lot of commotion around them or your neighbors are having a lot of fun with fireworks. To begin, we're going to need a 4-ounce glass spray bottle. In it, we're going to pour in 20 drops of doTERRA lavender essential oil, 10 drops of doTERRA cedarwood essential oil, 5 drops of doTERRA vetiver essential oil, being very patient with it, and finally 5 drops of doTERRA frankincense essential oil. We're then going to fill it up the rest of the way with distilled water. Put the lid on and shake well before use. This you can spray it behind their ears, on their backs, or on their bellies. You can also spray it on your hands and just give your doggo some pets and ear rubs. Either way, just be very careful not to get any inside of their ears, because getting essential oils inside anyone's ears is not a good idea. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!